Muchemanio jwa maabisa nene thirikari nekenda kubanga makinyaniria na mwaka jojo ntuku ya narua ni jutonyete ntuku ijiri aria mwandiki munene kiri rwangi rwa kigina ugite murigo jwa ugoti kiri Akenya jutinene imono kwaringithanwa na nthiguru ingi. Antone akanjo ya mangabana mukaridigite Anne WAIGURU ugite kanjo iji IKAGWATA MBARU thirikari ya Kenya KWANZA gutigira egukinyaniria mawira ni jayo kiri Akenya.
Strong government investment.
Narua iri ntuku ya ijiri iria a minister na arungamiri bandwangi mwanya cia thirikari nene betete na mbere kuthoja uritingugi bwao batongeretwe ni Rais William Ruto NTEERE cha NAIVASHA. Minister wa kigina niwe NDUNG'U na ugite nande uchumi bwa Kenya ibwambiritie kuriuka.
The recovery is actually starting with the Q4 5.6%. So recovery is starting. That recovery is premised on the policies that the government has taken. That recovery is going to create a very strong momentum. Now, the second thing is that we notice that however much we tried to talk about the strategy to resolve the Eurobond, there was always some doubts. But I also found that when we were looking at where is the activity after the Eurobond, it was actually in the forex bureaus. It was not for those people holding dollar accounts. So in a sense, they were bidding the price. Now, the second part of it is that also potential investors would not come to Kenya because they are actually saying we cannot invest in that country because they have not resolved the Eurobond.
Nawe PS wa rwangi rwa kigina Chris Kipto na ugite Akenya bate kuria ugoti nkurukia kithimi.
It's more about education and awareness. I think we seem to have lost this story around taxation, where people are saying we are overtaxed, we are overtaxed. I don't think myself we are, especially if you do comparison with other countries. If Kenyans are paying harambe, by the way, especially where I come from, every weekend everybody is paying harambe, and is willing. It's so, you don't struggle. How come when it comes to paying taxes, we have to struggle? We need patriotism. We need to create this patriotism where everybody is paying tax because it's good for us.
Mukaririgite wa kanjo ya mangabana Anne WAIGURU na ugite kaunti ni kugwata mbaru thirikari ya Kenya KWANZA ende auga mangabana ibabati kwe wakanya kao kurita ngugi.
The message from the governors is this: they support your government. They are supporting the development agenda, the plan of the Kenya KWANZA, but they are urging that they be given their due space to be governors and to deliver on devolution. And I think the best way we can do that is when we work together in synergy. Look at the things that we have achieved in health when we have met halfway. The things we've achieved with cooperatives when we have met halfway. If we can just do that with the few remaining ones, in agriculture and in health, I think we can go a long way than if we started push and pulling to replicate functions and duties that can actually be carried out better by the county governments.
Akirekereria Rais William Ruto na ugite thirikari cionthe cio ijiri ibati kurita ngugi na urumwe kwagirithia utungata kiria kariba Kenya na kuojuriria katiba.
The reason why we asked the council to come and have a session with us as we have this National Government Executive Retreat is because I wanted ministers here and their principal secretaries to understand that the counties are our partners. They are not our competitors. They are our partners. And there is a very big opportunity by us working with counties. And we lose that opportunity if we don't work with the counties. I want to encourage ministers who are here and principal secretaries who are here and say it in their presence that county governments are not our competitors. They are our partners. They are another level of government that we must work with because the Constitution contemplates us working together.
For 2 seasons continuously,